Religion is a means of gaining knowledge about supernatural power and highly effective moral behavior. Those who truly believe in religion prove to be lovers of nature. They prioritize humanity and brotherhood. Religion makes life easy and beautiful, and it prevents people from doing any wrong. Its main feature is to create spiritual strength in a person. When you gain deep religious knowledge, you become soft on other people, but its false teachings can be devastating to humanity. Fundamentalists use religion as a weapon to suppress innocent people or opponents. In early times, religion ruled the world. People were punished and killed or encouraged to convert. This tradition created an environment of brutality. After the world's progress towards peace and humanity, people started embracing each other. The blind era started to crush under the weight of good thinking. Now people want to live a peaceful life in this world. They do not like to be fuel for the fire of religion. Today our independence is more valuable than any religions and customs. We need peace and prosperity now. And in this lies the development of the world and the survival of humanity. Thank you, friends.